Here's some events in 1066 trivia. Subscribe. What battle marked the Norman conquest of England? Is it A, Battle of Waterloo, B, Battle of Yorktown, C, Battle of Agincourt, or D, Battle of Hastings? The correct answer is D, Battle of Hastings. Who led the Norman forces in 1066? Is it A, Henry II, B, William the Conqueror, C, Harold Godwinson, or D, Richard the Lionheart? The correct answer is B, William the Conqueror. What title did William hold after his victory? Is it A, Emperor of Rome, B, King of England, C, King of France, or D, Sultan of Egypt? The correct answer is B, King of England. What year did 1066 take place in? Is it A, 1105, B, 1042, C, 1088, or D, 1066? The correct answer is D, 1066. What significant document was created in 1086? Is it A, Treaty of Versailles, B, Bill of Rights, C, Domesday Book, or D, Magna Carta? The correct answer is C, Domesday Book. Which English king reigned before William? Is it A, Edward the Confessor, B, Henry II, C, Richard III, or D, John of England? The correct answer is A, Edward the Confessor. What was the result of the Battle of Stamford Bridge? Is it A, Viking victory, B, end of Viking age, C, last stand, or D, Treaty of York? The correct answer is B, end of Viking age. Which battle occurred before Hastings? Is it A, Battle of Stamford Bridge, B, Battle of York, C, Battle of Teuton, or D, Battle of Agincourt? The correct answer is A, Battle of Stamford Bridge. Which historian chronicled the events of 1066? Is it A, William of Poitiers, B, Orderic Vitalis, C, Geoffrey of Monmouth, or D, Eusebius of Caesarea? The correct answer is A, William of Poitiers. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.